Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to write an affidavit for a name change. An affidavit is a very important legal document, a sworn declaration of facts you present to authorities. When you seek a name change, this formal statement becomes the foundation of your request. It provides clear, verifiable information, establishing your intent and identity for all official updates. You will need to include several essential pieces of information in your affidavit. Begin with your existing full legal name, exactly as it is officially recorded. Then, explicitly state the new full name you intend to use. Remember to also provide identifying details like your date of birth and present residential address. Finally, offer a concise and truthful reason for your desired name modification. When drafting the body of your affidavit, it is crucial to clearly declare that all statements within are truthful and accurate to your best knowledge. Affirm your firm intention to abandon your previous name entirely and to adopt your new name. State that you are over the age of 18 years and are mentally capable of making this decision. Also, confirm that your name change is for legitimate, non-fraudulent reasons within your jurisdiction. After completing your affidavit, the next vital step is signing it in front of a qualified individual. This person is typically a notary public, an officer authorized to administer oaths and affirmations. You must wait to sign the document until you are in their direct presence, as they need to witness your signature. The notary will then add their official seal and signature, which legally authenticates your affidavit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.